Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So this video is going to be Islamic reflections over eyes. Before we begin, please subscribe and inshallah we'll get good deeds for it. So, when we're talking about our eyes, I want to begin by saying that we should say Alhamdulillah for them. Alhamdulillah we can see color. Alhamdulillah, there's so much beauty that Allah SWT has created in this world, and we can see it, Alhamdulillah. Every cute thing you've seen, Allah SWT allowed you to see it. Every beautiful thing, Allah SWT has allowed you to see it. If you've ever looked up at the sky, at the trees, or have seen anything that's beautiful, say Alhamdulillah. Allah SWT allowed you to do it. There's so many little things that goes into seeing. Your nerves has to be connected correctly to your eyes. Your brain has to process the information. You have to first receive the light for the information. There's a lot that goes into seeing, and Alhamdulillah, Allah SWT allows you to do it so effortlessly. It's less effort than pulling up your hand. It's so much more less effort for all of these things. So say Alhamdulillah. Say Alhamdulillah for these blessings. And use them correctly, use them for good. Don't look at what Allah SWT forbade you to look at. If you know that you shouldn't be looking at something, don't look at it. Allah SWT will forgive you the first time you look at it because you didn't know. But after you realize that there's something bad in there, don't look at it. Try your best, and inshallah you'll be rewarded for it. Allah SWT, He gave you these beautiful things. He added color to them. He allowed you to look using them, so don't misuse them. Don't forget that your body has rights over you, and that any time Allah SWT can destroy your body, that at the end you're going to die and this body is temporary. So don't forget, use your body, use your eyes, use all of these things, but use them well. Use them in a way that is pleasing of Allah SWT. And another thing you should remember is that Allah SWT watches you, and Allahu Alam how He watches, but however it is, you should remember that He does, and that we are responsible for our actions. He knows our intentions, He knows what our desires, our hardships, our success. He knows what's easy and what's hard. He knows right and wrong. He knows all of this, and He's watching us, and that can be both hopeful when you remember, and no matter how bad things are, Allah SWT knows your situation, but it can also be making you aware in your situation because you remember that Allah SWT is watching, and you shouldn't sin, but Allah SWT is watching, that the creator of all things, the creator of all beauty, the creator of all greatness, the creator of goodness, of righteousness, the creator of Islam, the maker of the Quran, the person who made every real good thing to happen during life possible, and the one who created Jannah, which inshallah we can all go to. He is watching us. He wants us to succeed, and He doesn't want any benefit from it, because He is beyond all benefit. He is the creator of benefit. He existed before all of us existed, before goodness existed, before righteousness existed, He existed before all, and He existed before time. And such a powerful God, He decided that I'm going to be merciful towards my servants. I'm going to give them eyes. I'm going to let them watch in goodness and righteousness. He gave us these things, so let us not forget that Allah SWT, the greatest of all, He is the one who watches us. Jazakallah khairan kaseeran for watching. Please subscribe and